Google Flights is your best friend when you are looking for inexpensive flights. This is how I use Google Flights. I will put in the dates when I can travel, and I just choose my departure airport, which is typically Raleigh, and I leave the arrival airport blank or the destination airport blank. And then I let Google Flights tell me where the best deals are. Another fun option to use is the Explore button, and on Google Flights you just click on Explore and you don't fill in anything, and you just let the search engine tell you where the best deals are. If it's important to you to fly out of a certain airport, then put that down as your departure airport, but leave the rest of it blank. Don't fill in dates, don't fill in destinations, and just see what the search engine brings up. And that kind of is fun because it forces you to think about places that maybe you wouldn't have thought to even explore.